Have you ever been into Ryan Chevrolet for routine maintenance and the service advisor says something like,
"Yeah, would you like to change the air on your tires for nitrogen? It's only $39.99.
What?
Why pay to fill your tires when air is free, right? It may sound silly at first, but having your tires filled with nitrogen might just save you money. Let me explain. I'll start with the science. Nitrogen atoms are a little bit bigger than oxygen atoms. This makes it more difficult to permeate the rubber and escape from the tire. The math is complicated, but regular air escapes roughly 1.5 times quicker than nitrogen. Having consistent tire pressure is important for a few reasons. First and foremost, for the life of your tires. Air contains water vapor, nitrogen does not. Water vapor will increase the tire pressure when it heats up and decrease the tire pressure when it cools down. This fluctuation is not good for your tires. Plus, water vapor causes corrosion that can create leaks in the valve stem or the bead seal and damage the expensive tire pressure sensors. Time for a fun fact. Can you guess what the top reason for premature tire wear is? You got it, improper tire inflation. So the next time your service advisor says this,
Would you like to change the air on your tires for nitrogen? It's only $39.99.
think twice before immediately declining. And if you have questions, don't be afraid to ask. The certified service experts at Ryan Chevrolet are here to help you make the best decision for you and your vehicle.